Hi, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I am Kathy and I try things. And I give you my 2 cents. So a few weeks ago on social media, Oreo and Ritz Crackers, they did a collab. So it was half an Oreo, half an Oreo with the cream. Then there was Ritz Cracker with peanut butter, and they put them together. I'll show you a picture of them here. They were giving away, Oreo was giving away 1,000 boxes. All you had to do was pay shipping. It was like $3.95 or something. I tried to get on to get them. I was not successful. I couldn't even get on the website. I guess they crashed. I don't know. Then like a week later, they posted how you could do it yourself. You take the Oreo, you put on some peanut butter, you put on a Ritz Cracker. I kind of disagree. I mean, I'm sure it's similar, but as you can see in the picture of the cookies, it's like there's something else in the peanut butter. I'm sure there's some sugar added or something added to it. So I was thinking, what could be close? I was thinking maybe a Nutter Butter, the filling of a Nutter Butter, peanut butter Oreo, the filling of that with the Ritz Cracker and the Oreo. But then I thought, Ritz makes a peanut butter cracker, but these are just the little ones. But Oreo makes a mini too. So I think this is probably closer to what the actual cookie tastes like. Of course, I'm not gonna know because I haven't had it, but I'll tell you if it's good or not. I can tell you, when they posted about how to make these, there were some mixed reviews. Some people were not happy. They were not happy the site went down. They were not happy what Oreo was doing. They were like, do better. I'm like, it's a cookie and a cracker. Is it really that big a deal? Anyway, I want to try it. Sounds interesting to me. So I do love these little Ritz crackers. Let's see, so let's open. So we have the peanut butter and then we have an Oreo. The Oreo, cute little mini Oreos. All right, so put those together. Smash it down. Yeah, oh, a lot of peanut butter there, so there. All right, give it a try. I feel like I get the salty of the cracker, then I get the Oreo, because first I didn't taste the Oreo at all. It's not a bad combination. But I think if you did it with a regular size Oreo and peanut butter and the Ritz, like I said, I'm not sure that's giving you the true flavor. I mean, it's a flavor, that's it. You might like it like that, I don't know. Like I said, it all depends on how you make it. They were just putting a lot of peanut butter on there. I figured that's all you would taste was the peanut butter. But I think this is probably a better recreation. Yeah, it's weird. It's like first I get the cracker, then I get the Oreo and the cream, and then I get a little more salt and peanut butter at the end. It works. It's good. Let me try just the Oreo. This should just go back and forth. I almost think I like them better together. I think it's a good combination. Like I said, I don't know why people were getting so worked up over this, but it was kind of weird they only did 1,000 boxes. Like I said, I think this is the closest you're probably going to get to the real thing if you didn't get the real thing. But yeah, these are good, something fun, different to try. I'm all about trying new things, but then you're left with all these. So you put peanut butter in between the two. So yeah, another quickie review for you today. I just want to let you know if you maybe saw it on social media, maybe you didn't, maybe it's just what I follow. But yeah, I think it's fun. I think maybe they should do this for real. It's the same company, why not? And they could sell them in these little cups. It'd be perfect, perfect. So if you were one of the lucky 1,000 people to get a free box, let me know how they were in the comments below. All right, so the question of the day, do you have some kind of combination that you like with crackers and cookies, or I don't know, whatever it might be? Do you have some crazy combination maybe I should try? Let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye.